Hi friends, this video shows how to reset advertising ID. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go down, set ads, and here you can see advertising ID ending with C47. Google uses this advertising ID to store activities and your search history. Based on that data, Google will give suggestions and it will show ads, many things. If you want to reset this advertising ID and create a new one, there is an option, reset advertising ID. I am going to reset it and create a new one. Let me reset, set confirm. See, it's created new advertising ID C137. See, we can also delete advertising ID. That way we can delete all data that Google collected. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.